Another favorite of mine we have here, a 1973 Trans Am 455 number match. They put a 5-speed Tremec Trans in there. Just an awesome car, air conditioned, got the modern Rally 2 wheels on it. I just love everything about it. It's a California car, supposedly has about 65,000 original miles on it, but it's been body off frame restored. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the information, look at pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find the price tag along with the monthly finance option. That's all at volocars.com. If you get really excited about a car, on our website we also have a Buy It Now button. You click that button and that'll lock it in until you have a chance to talk to a salesman. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, really nice car. It's just a subframe, so we say body off frame, but everything was removed. All the rear suspension, the springs, everything was taken off the bottom of this car, all rebuilt and restored, put back together. The whole front end steering and suspension still looks new. It does have lowering springs. It has KYB gas shocks all around. I don't know what Pontiac called it, but it has the, well, I think they call it the radial tune suspension. This has the sway bars front and back. Everything in back looks new. The springs, all the nuts and bolts and hardware and shackles and bushings all look like they've been replaced. It has a nice sounding, actually a great sounding, custom pipes exhaust system. It's all stainless steel. I think it has an X pipe in the middle. I know it has the stainless transverse sideways muffler and then the stock looking tips down here that are polished and slash cut. That's exactly the way they should be. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. The brake system's been redone. E-brakes hooked up. Fuel system, that's all been replaced. The tank, all the lines were replaced. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. The Tremec 5-speed is new, and all the parts, clutch, the mount, shift linkage, everything related to that was replaced as well. It has its original safety track. That's what Pontiac called their posi, rear end in the back. As far as the floors are concerned, absolutely rust-free, clean metal. The pinch welds, the floors, the frame rails, all of it's nice, dry, clean metal. And it was red epoxy primered, which is how it would have left the factory. So underneath this car is really impressive. So let's check out the body. Good, clean body. It's all metal. Look how it lines up real nice. Big, long door. They're usually full of door dings right on this crest right here, and it's not. This one's absolutely straight, clean. Fender flares look real nice. Big, long, heavy door usually means it drops when you open it, too. I'm glad it didn't. Shuts real nice. The roof is excellent. The sail panels, the quarters, all the way down to the bottoms, clean. All of this lines up beautifully, square and flush, straight. I don't see any issues so far. All real good, clean, straight, all along here. Nice, clean metal, even underneath the bottom there, no rust. Very nice, way, way down here. As far as I can reach, this is smooth, clean metal, and that is precise. Real nice. Big, heavy doors. Again, I'm impressed with that. Hairline crack right here. It's just a flex point, and they tend to get that there, but this one's very minimal. The roof is straight. All this is great. Has the air extractors in the front fenders. Has the shaker hood scoop's been opened up, so it actually does suck fresh air into the motor. Hood lines up beautifully. Now the nose, this is a rubber nose, like a garden hose. Little hairline crack right there, and that's all that I see. Oh, a few right up on top here. Very small, like literally looks like a hair. And bumper's in excellent shape, and it fits real nicely. Sport mirrors. Windshield looks crystal clear. That's new. The trim is shiny. It's probably an 8 out of 10. The rubber seals are replaced. New door handles. The back window, really nice and clear. I'd almost say it was brand new, but it's got a couple light marks. This trim is an 8 or 9. Back bumper, tail lights, this all looks like new. Beautiful. Bumper guards, that's unusual. I don't recall seeing those before. But it's got them. Maybe it was a 73 thing, I'm not sure. But looks really good condition-wise. The wheels, G-Force Sport BFG Performance tires, and they are on 17-inch billet Rally 2 wheels. I love when they take the original and they just make it more modern, make it better. Looks good on this car. This car does have a lowered stance. It's like a sports car. It's like an American muscle car sports car. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. All right, boy, that bounces right open. Yeah, nice, clean, smooth, Cameo White. Has the stickers. The jam is painted nice and clean. The weather strip is nice and soft. Now inside the trunk is all clean, rock solid metal. This is kind of just thrown on here a little sloppy, but it has one of the collapsible spares, and I feel the air bottle, and it has the jack assemblies in that bag right there. New insulation behind the seat. The wire hanging down, that's a speaker wire. Has the trunk mat in here. It's all clean, all solid, and it's complete with the jack and spare. I'd probably take a few minutes. Oh, I didn't even mention the California plate that's in there, the blue plate. That goes back to the 70s, and it stays with the car. Interior is really nice. I think this is the deluxe interior. That's my educated guess. The doors are clean. The bottom lip is spotless. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels are mint upper and lower. Window cranks, door handles are replaced. Nice dash. I always love these dashes. Has the machine turned instrument panel. Look at all the vents and knobs, all real good. Tachometer, working clock. Looks like quartz movement. So full set of gauges. Air conditioning controls, the original lighter. Now it has an AM/FM stereo with an 8-track. I'm going to let you in on a secret here in a minute. All clean glove box, nice vents. All of this kick panels, real nice. Look at the carpet and the reproduction Pontiac mats. It even smells good in here. So they left the original 4-speed shifter knob on here, so it looks stock, but it is a 5-speed. The console's in real nice shape. This is a little secret I was going to let you in on. It has a hidden stereo system. You can hide this under the seat. You can lay it out here when you're using it. But it's a custom auto sound stereo. Seat upholstery is in really great shape. The cushions feel real nice. Backs of the seats are real nice. Everything back here is clean. Has a full set of original seat belts. All the plastic on the sides are nice. Has the mesh speaker shelf in the back. Headliners mint. Light works. We must be out of those little plastic lenses. Ask the salesman. Put that in there before you buy it. Formula wheel. It's one of my favorite steering wheels. Nice cushion grip. Just a cool steering wheel, especially for the day. But the mirror, the visors, shoulder belts. It's a really nice interior. It's all there and it's clean. Each car goes through our shop for an inspection. I bought this car over a month ago. I've been waiting for it to come through the studio here. I like it a lot. And where is the hood opener? There we go, way underneath there. So this is the original 455 motor, VIN number match. There's pictures of that on our website, but it's been upgraded. It has some polished aluminum heads and a polished aluminum intake, and some nice valve covers to go with it. Nice fuel line going to a big double feed Holley carburetor. Has a stock style distributor in the back. It says factory air, and it all looks clean and nice, and all this is painted nice. Look at the overflow bottle, the bracket, all this is just nice and clean. Also has a polished aluminum water pump. Complete shroud. Looks like a new alternator. We got power steering. The complete air cleaner system, all the hoses and the rubber seal, it all looks like it's there. Power brake system looks new. You can tell the lines are stainless and cadmium plated booster. And stock, looks like the HO exhaust manifolds, no headers. But just a really nice, clean engine compartment. Has some tasteful upgrades on the motor and that 5-speed. I like what they did. Oh, man, listen to that. It's still idling about 1200 because it's not warmed up yet. What a nice sound. A squeaky belt too, but boy, this thing sounds awesome. So it looks like a sports car. That pipe's exhaust sounds like a sports car when you rev it. Okay, I'm really impressed with this car. When I said we were waiting a month and a half in the shop, they weren't working on this car. It was just 50 cars ahead of it. Each car gets inspected. What we did to this car, when they transferred it to a 5-speed, they did not hook up the reverse lights. So we went ahead and got the reverse lights installed. We repaired the wipers. Did some work on the air conditioning, replaced the expansion valve, the blower relay, charged it with R134 Freon. We repaired the remote mirror, and we installed a license plate light. So that's the service that this car got after it was inspected. This is beautiful. And those heads, they're not just aluminum, but they're deburred. They're smooth, polished aluminum. And when I talked about the underside of the car, I forgot to mention it also has a high torque starter. And I said it's the safety track rear end. It's a 308 gear in there. So this thing should just cruise down the highway, especially with that 5-speed, effortlessly. Probably gets great gas mileage, believe it or not. Really nice car. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get it to your door, how do you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. I'm thinking about it too. I'll have to look up the production numbers. They probably didn't make very many of these. And sign up for our YouTube and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.